Warning signs on monuments within the cemetery are there for your protection. Do not remove the sign, and please do not shake or attempt to test to see if the tablet is secured to the base. Monuments are solid stone. For a single granite marker, the weight can be anywhere between 270 to 550 pounds, depending on the height and width. For a dual grave marker, the weight can be anywhere between 300 to 800 pounds. It is easy for any individual to see that a leaning monument is in danger of falling over, but there are hidden dangers which are not easy to spot. If a monument appears to be safe but has a warning sign, this is because the cemetery has noticed what the normal person cannot see, the hidden danger. For example, an upright stone tablet that is set on a granite base may have been secured using only adhesives. Over time, all adhesives break down. If the adhesive has decayed and there are no other factors such as leaning or scooting of the monument, then the force it takes to accidentally overturn the monument is 1/7 the weight of the stone. For a single marker weighing 270 to 550 pounds, that would be 39 to 79 pounds of force. For a dual marker weighing 300 to 800 pounds, the amount of force required to turn it over would be 42 to 114 pounds. If the monument foundation has sunk, which is common because dirt moves over time, and for example, the monument is now 1 inch off plumb, the amount of force it takes to accidentally overturn the monument has decreased to 1/14 the weight of the stone. For a single marker, that would be 20 to 40 pounds of force. For a dual marker, that would be 21 to 57 pounds. When water or ice gets between the monument tablet and the base, high winds can easily scoot the tablet along the surface, much like skating on an ice rink. If this happens, it takes even less force to overturn the tablet. As you can see, these hidden dangers are real and should be taken seriously. If a 600-pound marker began to fall, most individuals would not have the strength to stop it from falling over. If the monument fell on top of someone, it would take approximately 1/2 the weight of the stone to lift it off. That would be 300 pounds in this scenario. Imagine an elderly wife visiting her husband's grave, planting flowers along the base of the stone. She has difficulty getting up and naturally reaches out and grabs the monument to pull herself up, only to find that the monument gives way and falls over. Your cemetery has placed these signs as an act of goodwill and hopes that this scenario never occurs. Whenever the cemetery becomes aware of a dangerous monument, they will place the warning sign to inform the owner and any visitors of hidden dangers. Please do not attempt to remove these signs. Once the monument has been repaired, the sign can be removed. Approach any monument that has a warning sign with caution. Never stand directly in front or behind the monument. Who is the responsible party for identifying and repairing monuments? Well, the monuments placed in the cemetery are the property of the purchaser. They are not the property or responsibility of the cemetery. The cemetery gave permission for that monument to be placed in the cemetery. The sole responsibility lies with the owner of the monument. When you contact a monument dealer to repair the monument, we recommend that you ask for stainless steel rods in addition to adhesives. Please check with your cemetery to see if they have updated their monument installation requirements. Stainless steel rods may be a requirement for repairs and for new monument installations. If there are no monument installation requirements, and you choose to use adhesives, remember, adhesives will break down again over time. Ask for the estimated lifespan of the adhesive. Also ask about the estimated bonding time. The bonding time is the time required for the adhesive to set or cure. This varies based on the type of adhesive and the weather conditions at the time of repair. During the time when the bonding adhesive is setting or curing, it is important that you do not break the seal the adhesive is trying to form by shaking the monument. Just a hairline fracture in the adhesive can grow quickly over time as water gets between the two granite pieces. Many people will place a wired arrangement on top of a monument, pushing it securely in place, not realizing that they may be creating a hairline crack in the adhesive. If you have additional questions or concerns, please contact the cemetery office and they will be glad to assist.